I can't believe what just happened, guys. This is the first time this has happened to me in 2 years. I just got a donation box from Soul Supremacy. Let's find out what's inside. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another beater box unboxing. I'm Sailboat with Sailboat Supplies, and today we're going to be opening up a $1 mystery box from Soul Supremacy. That's right, guys. This box only cost me $1 plus $25 shipping and handling and 11 cents tax for a total of $26.11. Let's find out what's inside. These donation boxes are insanely fun to open up because they're so cheap that there's barely any risk in purchasing them. However, the fact that you're spending so little money typically means that you're going to be getting very random sneakers. Normally, because of the fact that they're so cheap, the return on investment is absolutely insane, and I'm hoping that that will be the case with today's beater box. Let's dive into it and find out what we got. The first box that I have is a size 12 Puma. Holy smokes! This is a dead stock pair right here. These come in a gray and yellow and red colorway. They're size 13 and they're dead stock. And on the box it says Basket 2 Bode, and it says Bode beneath the Puma logo on the lateral sides of the shoe. There's a whole bunch of star prints on the uppers of these shoes, as well as on the heel tab and on the liner of the shoe. I mean, being that this is a dead stock pair, this is an insanely awesome pickup to get in a $26 mystery box. Getting dead stock shoes in a box of this value is completely absurd. I can tell you that these are gonna go for a pretty decent price, and because they are dead stock, it's gonna be an insanely easy move for me. We got these size 13 Puma Basket 2 Bodes in dead stock condition. Man, what a way to start off this beater box. Like, this is absolutely insane. I am super juiced on that pickup right there. The next sneaker that I got here, size 8.5 Nike Air Max Infinity. Oh my God, these reek like cigarette smoke. Oh man, they do not smell good at all. They are in very lightly worn condition. Like, these look really nice, as a matter of fact. It's gonna be a very easy clean, and also use some sort of disinfecting agent or some sort of anti-smell agent on these because they are pretty damn stinky, quite honestly. I've definitely gotten worse in beater boxes before, but this is not one of the most pleasant things in the world. At any rate, I got a size 8.5 Nike Air Max Infinity. A bit smoky smelling, but very lightly worn condition. Should be a quick clean, but getting that scent out of there is going to be very challenging. Now I got a bag right here. I don't even know what this is. At the top of the bag, it says custom made for you. And I'll be damned if it's not another dead stock pair of kicks. I got some Vans right here. These are like some Vans classics. I'm not terribly familiar with Vans different models, but this is just like a classic old Vans silhouette right here. Size 11.5 Vans custom in dead stock condition. Again, I'm just dumbfounded that I already have 2 pairs of dead stock shoes coming out of this $26 mystery box. Nice classic pair of Vans in a little bit of a bigger size, 11.5, and they come in this custom bag, I guess. I don't know anything about Vans, but I can tell you that as long as they're dead stock, they're gonna sell for a pretty reasonable price. Size 11.5 custom Vans. Don't know what silhouette it is, but it comes with this really cool bag, and they appear to be a customized pair of Vans, which is pretty dope if you ask me. So far, I got 3 pairs of shoes in this box, and there are still quite a few more left to go. So let's find out what we still got. Here I have another Nike box, a size 12 HTM Air Force 1. Whoa! These things look like they're absolutely ancient. The size 12 HTM Air Force 1 in like a mocha colorway almost. These things are crazy old, man. Holy shit, I could tell immediately when I pulled them out of the box, but damn, getting these in hands, this is actually some super high quality material. So these are definitely in worn condition. They have a fair amount of heel drag. There's still about 70% of the stars remaining. And these are still in crazy good condition. Checking them out, they are from 2002. Holy smokes. So this pair of shoes is 20 years old at this point in time and is still holding up insanely nicely. The soles aren't even terribly dirty, and while they do need a quick scrub down, these are actually gonna be a very easy clean. So I got this size 12 Air Force 1 HTM. I am blown away at the condition that these suckers are in right now. 4 shoes down, 3 more left to go. Total of 7 shoes in this beater box worth only $26. Do the math, people, that's only $4 a pair. Another red Nike box. We got a Nike Air Max BW Premium in a size 12. And oh my God, another banger pair considering it's a $26 box. These are indeed a size 12 Air Max BWs, and damn, looking at the tag, these are actually only from 2015. So they are not quite as old as I thought, but this is like a super nice leather on this shoe, honestly. Like, this feels really, really good. I'm actually blown away by the quality. Now, there is a little bit of paint wear on the midsoles here. On the insoles, it says Nike International, so I wonder if this is actually like some sort of collaboration effort. They're in pretty lightly worn condition, quite honestly. The soles still have a ton of life left in them. There is some creasing on the toe box of the shoes, and there's definitely some dirt along the midsoles and the uppers. Size 12 Air Max BW original box. I'm just blown away by the quality of the shoes that I'm getting for a $26 beater box. I don't know what to say. This is incredible so far. Next up, a shoe that you might actually expect to see in a $26 beater box. A size 11 Cole Haan dress shoe. And look at that. That is a very non-traditional dress shoe right there. Wow, this is a really interesting pickup. I have only received dress shoes in a beater box a handful of times. Never have I seen a dress shoe like this, where it looks like it has a Nike Lunarlon midsole and outsole on it. You know, I thought that I was just BSing saying Lunarlon, but on the actual outsole, there is a symbol that says Lunarlon. Now, these are in pretty lightly worn condition, and they're actually a pretty nice shoe. The uppers are made from this really nice suede. Little bit of dirt on the midsole and outsole, but overall, it's in very good condition. The uppers look nearly flawless, quite honestly. Only lightly worn, so I really can't complain too much. We got a size 11.5 Cole Haan dress shoe with a Lunarlon midsole outsole combo. Who thought that I would get a dress shoe in a beater box? And now we're down to the last pair of kicks in this box, and I can tell you that this is also a very, very weird one. So I have this massive Salomon box right here, and it is in a size 13 men's, but look at the size of this damn box. This is insane. And what in the world is this? This is super bizarre, guys. In my entire 5 to 6 year history opening beater boxes, I have never seen a pair of kicks quite like this. Now, that's not to say that there's anything wrong with these. They're actually in dead stock condition. This is definitely something special, guys. Like, I really don't know anything about these, but being that they're in dead stock condition, I got a funny feeling that this is probably like $100 to $200 pair of boots. These are absolutely insane. They are just monstrous hiking boots or something like that. Like, I'd assume that these are for hiking in some sort of really rough terrain or some sort of cold terrain. Looking at the other tags on here, I can see that they're called the Quest 4D GTX Advance. Again, I don't know anything about this style of boot whatsoever, but damn, this is an interesting pickup right here. I did not think that I would ever see something like this in a beater box. So the last pair in this beater box, a Quest 4D GTX Advance from Salomon. This appears to be like a big ass hiking boot, but honestly, I just don't know anything about them, so I really can't speak intelligently about them. Since they're dead stock, I got a funny feeling that I'm probably gonna be able to get an insanely good price on them. I don't know the market on a pair of boots like these at all. 7 pairs in this beater box. Crazy weird assortment. Not something that I would have ever expected to see, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I am insanely hype on this box. I think that I'm going to be able to make a bunch of money because I got 3 pairs of dead stock shoes and then 4 other pairs that, as long as they're priced appropriately, should be pretty easy movers. Even though it's a whole bunch of weird shoes, I know for a fact that I'm gonna be able to make my money very quickly on this box. At any rate, I'm really curious to hear what you guys think of this box. If you guys are interested in any of these kicks, you'll be able to find them on my website, www.sailboatsupplies.xyz. And of course, if you're looking to find me on social media, I can be found at Sailboat Supplies. If you guys enjoyed the contents of this video, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Just that little bit of support goes a long way in helping me to continue to create content, and all it takes is a quick click of your mouse. So please guys, if you could take that extra second to just hit a couple of buttons with your mouse, I would really appreciate it, and it would definitely help the channel out quite a bit. As per usual, thank you to everybody that stuck around until the cold, bitter end of this video. And you guys already know, I'm Sailboat, and I'm out of here.